Hello guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to see what are the if statements. So let's start. The if statement to specify a block of Java code to be executed if a condition is true. Basically, what does the if statement do? If the condition is true, then the block of the if statement will execute. If the condition is not true, will not executed. So this is the syntax of the if statement. So if the condition, here we write the condition, if the condition is true, then the block of code to be executed if the condition is true, otherwise it will not execute. So let's see the demonstration of if statement. So I am creating a class, creating a variable a is equal to 10 and int b is equal to 20. So if a is less than b, then it will give me the, if a is less than b, then it will print a is smaller than b. If the condition is true, then only it will execute. If the condition that I have given here it is false, then this statement will not be executed. So I am running this statement. So the condition is true, that's why I have get the output. So let's say I'm giving the false condition. Let's say A is greater than B, but it is not true. It is false. So what will be the output? Let's see. The output I get, it's nothing. So this how the if statement works. Thank you for watching this video.